Madison's like, come on, I'm waiting. Coming back for more. He's gonna eat it. Nope, he's gonna get. So cute. She's got like 10 of those things in her mouth. Funny. You okay, Madison? You gotta swallow all those. Did you eat one finally? Here you go.
Yeah.
Now he's gonna get 4 at a time.
Don't knock on his head. She's gonna knock on his head. Oh, they're in love. He's probably fed her this entire jar. She's trying to put the lid on. She's like, no more. Are you guys done? Whoops. That is so funny. Nope, nope. Both trying to get their hands in there.
Uh-oh, you stepped on him.
That's alright. He got one. Good. He eats one for every 10 he feeds her. Oh, he put that one back.
There's so many, there's like 4 on the floor.
That's okay. They'll find him eventually. Where are you going?
I'm done feeding her. No.
I'm gonna play with the TV.
She wants some more.
Here. Do you want to feed him one? He's like, no. She's like, fine. Say hi. Say hi. No, you're waving hi. I can hear the crunches of Cheetos. Baby puffs. So cute.
Here's that.